In this video, this indicator will determine the start of the Bitcoin bull market. What is this? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, today we are going to talk about two things na which I wanted to discuss, and take note, what I am going to discuss today is not for short term. This is for the long-term game. So, yung mga tipong nag-aabang dyan ng long-term long position na gagawin ko, well, this is the video na we are going to discuss that. So, right now, I wanted to discuss two specific indicators. Number one, it is the daily golden cross and potential golden cross in the daily time frame, and it is by using the 50 and 200 moving average. So, we'll discuss that in a bit. And then yung other thing is yung MACD in the monthly time frame, because this MACD monthly time frame has also been a good way of determining a start of a long-term Bitcoin bull market. So with that being said, let's now dive into this video and let's discuss this daily time frame. So dito sa daily time frame, I have been using two different indicators dito. It is the 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average. And why is that? Kasi if you're going to look back in time, this is what you typically call a golden cross, wherein if the 50-day is gonna cross above the 200, meaning magkakaroon siya ng cross, that is a sign of a Bitcoin golden cross, and in that case, that would signify a start of a long-term bull market. And you can also clearly see this dito sa mga previous market cycle. If you're going to look back further in time, dito we had multiple golden crosses dito, but as you can see, ang overall outcome niyan is a long-term Bitcoin bull market. And even if you're going to look back much further, dito naman, after a golden cross comes a long-term Bitcoin bull market. So right now, the best way of determining a start of a long-term Bitcoin bull market is a golden cross dito sa daily time frame. And where are we currently right now dito kay Bitcoin? So if you're going to look at this, it looks like it's gonna take some time pa within the year, maybe around August or July for this to form. Considering na dire-diretso yung pagkakit ni Bitcoin lately, it's more likely na mas mapapaaga yung golden cross. And if mapaaga yan, then mukhang mapapaaga din yung start ng long-term Bitcoin bull market. So with that being said, ano yung strategy ko dito? So, may gusto akong tingnan din actually dito na isa pa indicator, and that is dito sa investment chart ko. Let's open that in another chart. And that is this other thing na gusto ko pag-usapan ng entry price. Let's try to use the Bitcoin index chart din ulit. So dito, as you can see, yung daily time frame is actually telling us na patapos pa lang yung pump. At some point in time, this pump is gonna stop in the daily time frame. Ayun, no? And as you can see, there is also a 200 moving average resistance then in the daily. But if we're going to look at this in the weekly, similar thing. So at some point, mag-stop itong pump, and the moment na mag-stop itong pump, doon tayo mag-enter ng ng long-term long position. Yung tipong after nito magkaroon ng bearish cross at nag-start siya bumagsak dito si Bitcoin following this movement ito, or following kung ano yung gagawin ng stochastic RSI, then dun tayo mag-open ng long position once na magkaroon na ng bullish cross dito. So yun yung pinakang aabangan ko muna dito with the Bitcoin price action before entering into a long-term long position. Though meron na akong nakaset na buy orders at 74,000 and 70,000 para if ever na bumagsak dun sa area na yun, automatically meron na akong long-term long position na naka-open. But yun, ito yung timing na kailangan natin tingnan, which is this stochastic RSI kasabay ng Bitcoin Golden Cross dito in the daily time frame. Now, the other thing na gusto ko ipakita din sa inyo is this MACD. So, this MACD is also, it's also a delaying indicator. So, ang dami nagsasabi na delaying indicator siya. When that is true, the moment na mangyari yung move, tapos na yung move. But, ang maganda naman dito is, this is a confirmation indicator. Meaning, after natin magkaroon ng confirmation ng Golden Cross na Bitcoin bull market, ito dito yung previous Golden Cross. As you can see, nagkaroon din tayo ng bullish cross sa MACD, and that started the whole Bitcoin bull market. Let's try to look back further in time pa. As you can see dito sa sumunod, nagkaroon tayo ng Golden Cross, then that has started the long-term Bitcoin bull market. And even if you're going to look much further back in time pa, dito, let's try to open this chart. Ayun, after this Golden Cross dito, that has started the next Bitcoin bull market dito. Ayan, no. After this Golden Cross, to medyo delayed siya kasi umakit na si Bitcoin dito initially. But as you can see, this is a good confirming indicator na we are in a long-term Bitcoin bull market. And right now, I am using historical data dito ni Bitcoin in determining the outcome nitong Bitcoin move. But where are we right now dito with the Bitcoin price action? As you can see, wala pa tayong Golden Cross. So, the moment na magkaroon ng Golden Cross dyan, that is going to start the long-term Bitcoin bull market. So, what is this telling us right now? It is telling us na, of course, meron din tayong isang indicator na pinakita na tapos na yung bear market. But is it the start of the bull market? The question for that and the answer for that is no. We are not yet in a long-term bull market, just to be clear. But, alam natin kung paano natin ma-determine yung start ng Bitcoin bull market. So, ang magandang gawin talaga ngayon is magbodega ng Bitcoin para the moment na mag-start yung long-term Bitcoin bull market, then, ayan, makikita natin yung profits natin. As for me, nakabili na ako ng Bitcoin and I'm going to keep on buying Bitcoin within the next few weeks and next few months hanggat magkaroon na, gusto ko palakihin yung capital ko para pag the moment na mag-start na yung Bitcoin bull market, ang laki na magiging profits kaagad nun. So, ayun, hulog lang ng hulog. And, ayun, that is my main strategy dito for the long-term Bitcoin bull market. And right now, we are very early, meaning sobrang aga pa ng lahat ng nangyayari dito with the crypto market space. So, yeah, as much as possible, take advantage of these moments. This is the time for you to build your portfolio. And then after that, once mag-start yung long-term Bitcoin bull market, then of course, that is when we are going to reap our rewards. And take note, guys, we also still have our Apple Watch SE giveaway. It is still ongoing, so make sure to check this one out. The description down below. And take note na I am currently going to trade yung mga short-term trades ko kay Wix, but yung long-term trade ko kay Bybit pa din. So make sure to use those two different platforms. And if di available si Bybit, you can use Femex naman and Wix in those two platforms. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.